In this video, I'll talk about how you can find your Temu referral code. Now this is really easy, guys. Head over to Google and search for Temu affiliate or Temu referral and open up the affiliate program. Once you're in here, you want to make sure that you log into your account, and under affiliate you will be able to see your codes. So as you can see here, my general link for this bundle will be this, and it will be this, and it will be this on this one. So as you can see, this one is the same as this one, and this one is an exclusive deal for this one. Now another thing you can do is you can get these, so click here, and you'll also be able to copy your link, which will be this one, which is also your code. So copy the link and you'll also have your code. Now this code is the one that you're going to send to people, and if they sign up and they buy something or they put money into their Temu or something, you'll get money, as you can see here. So that is basically how you can find it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.